Hello everyone, this is Uday Kumar from CSE A section. I am studying at Synchron Institute of Technology. Today my tech topic is applets in Java applet are used to provide interactive features to web application. Can be executed by browsers to many platforms. There is a small portable Java programs embedded with an HTML pages. We can automatically run as pages are with malware others. We have Java applets as a vehicle to attack. Applet of life cycle in Java. In Java, applet has two programs embedded within a web page to generate dynamic content. Applet is a class in Java. The applet lifecycle can be defined the process of how the object is created, started, stopped, and destroyed during the entire executions in application. It basically has a 5 core methods, namely init, start, stop, paint, and destroy. These methods are invoked by the browser and execute. Along the browser, the applet also works on the client code and having less processing time. Methods of applet lifecycle: init, bourne, start, and the running paint is in a stop until and start is in a idle. In destroy in is a dead in the project or application. Init. The init is a method of the first method to run initialization the applet. It can be invoked only once at the time of installation. The web browser creates an initialized object that is in a web browser after checking for security settings. The run is an init method within an applet. Start. The start method contains an actual code of the applet and starts an applet is an invoke immediately after the init method is invoked. Every time the browser is loaded refresh, the start method is invoked. It is invoked whenever applet is maximized, restored, or moving from one tab to another browser. It can be inactive state until init method is invoked. Stop. The stop method stops the execution of the applet. The stop method is invoked whenever the applet is stopped, minimized, or moving from one tab to another the browser. As the same as destroy. The destroy method destroys the applet after work is done. It invoked as the applet window is closed when the containing web page is closed. The removes of an applet object from memory to executed only once. We cannot start the applet is once is destroyed. Paint. The paint is method is and belongs to graphics class in Java. It is used to draw shapes like circle, square, trapezoidum, etc. The method of the web browser is in window is resized is by using of the paint. Applet lifecycle working. The through Java is a plugin software is responsible for managing the lifecycle of an applet. An applet is in a Java application executed any web browser and works on a client side. That is not main method is in a web browser in this created as an HTML page. The init is in a stop and destroy. The method is in a applet class. The paint method belongs to the awt.component class. In Java, to make any class is in a applet classes, we need to extend to the applet. Whenever we can create as an applet, we can create an instance of the extends applet class, and thus we can all use all methods of the class. That's it. Thank you for giving the opportunity. Oops. Oh,